Well, just doing some cutting today at the homestead and wanted to take a break, take a breather, and do a little deadheading. So I just started these petunias here in the planter I put in this 4x4 Dodge Ram 1500, and I'm going to be doing more planting here. They're looking a little wilted right now because we're getting into the 90s here now in Texas, but in terms of keeping these flowering well, one thing that can help is to clip the spent buds off of these petunias, and you can leave a little bit of a maybe half-inch stem there, but you can also take it pretty close. You just don't want to tear the main stem. Now you see these are all new little buds coming up here, and they have a touch of whatever color they're going to be. Now, one thing that does look similar to the buds, but is actually a spent flower from the past, which is turned into a seed head, are these little brown clusters within. And same principle, you can take those right back. Removing those prevents the plant from seeding out as soon, meaning more flowers, more life, less death. I also like to take out the brown. They may be old stems, they may be old leaves, they may be many different kind of amendments, decomposing organic matters from the innards. But this will help keep your petunias looking good. These babies will continue to trail out and go for many days through the summer heat as long as they're well kept.